Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cancel your TradingView 30-day free trial. So let's get right into it. TradingView is a very useful service which you can use for a lot of trading information gathering and so on and so forth. You can create watch lists to keep track of your stocks. You can view their charts. You can also add indicators to those charts, which will help you gather information from them, and so on and so forth. And you can also trade if you're connected to a broker. As you can see, I'm currently connected to the Pepperstone broker. You can choose whichever one you would like out of this list here at the bottom, and so on and so forth. Now, this is a monthly subscription based service, so you do need to subscribe if you want all the features to be unlocked to you. And you can also check out a 30-day free trial if you're not 100% sure if you would like this service. Now, the way you cancel this 30-day free trial is by accessing your account in billing, and you do that by going here in the top left. Once you're logged in, click on that and hover over your account name. You can either click take free trial if you haven't already, or you can go into your profile settings or into account and billing. Or if you go into profile settings, just leave. Once you're in your profile settings, you can then go into account and billing, and here you can view your plan which you're currently on. You can see the subscriber classification and so on and so forth. And if you're on a free trial, here you can just find a cancel subscription button. Just click on that button, confirm your choice, and your 30-day free trial will be automatically canceled. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.